I think one of the interesting things, probably my favorite thing to see what's going to transpire in the next few months is I think it's sort of the opposite. You think about Steve Martin, let's get small, right? I think small is what you're looking for in the future. Some of these super fine-tuned, like 3 billion parameter models, as opposed to the massive GPTs. You take something that is able to run on a cell phone, right, or run on a Raspberry Pi, and you're able to fine tune it to exactly what it is that you're looking for, exactly how you want it to talk to you, with exactly what you need it to know. I think that's where where the rubber really meets the road in terms of moving forward with models and tools that are really going to be supportive of individuals and what they want to accomplish.
Can
So
you
I think small is the way to go.
Can you elaborate on that a little bit? Like when you say it, where my head went immediately was like an AI that like knows all about 1996 Honda Accords or something, and
Yeah.
like I feel like you have a more distinct or like a better path to like where that could be disruptive or helpful for individuals. So I'd love if you say a little bit more on that.
Well, so it's funny because with something like, so this is pushing way out. I'm sure somebody much smarter than me, uh, and most of the people working in this field are much smarter than me when it comes to that stuff. But you think about retrieval augmented generation, right? RAG. If you hear RAG, that's what they're talking about. And so you have a database of information, and the context that you give the model determines what it pulls out of the database. And so if you get the information, let's say, Honda Accords or whatever topic, now you have 100 databases of stuff that you care about. You start talking to the model. The model basically only exists to turn database entries into conversational items, right? So you go, hey, I need to, fix the locking mechanism on my 96 Honda Accord. And it pulls the Honda Accord database, and then it uses the language model to actually turn that into a conversational response rather than just an item regurgitated from a database.